Have you ever stared at your notes and thought, what did I even write? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to take notes that actually makes studying easier? Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate note-taking system to keep you organized and help you retain more. Welcome back to Study Hacks Academy, the place where smart students come to study smarter. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because you won't want to miss the study hacks we're dropping every week. Now let's talk notes. First up, the Cornell Method. It's simple but powerful. Divide your page into 3 parts: notes on the right, key ideas or questions on the left, and a summary at the bottom. This layout helps you organize your thoughts, quickly review, and actively engage with the material. Trust me, this method works wonders during revision week. Next, use visual notes. Think mind maps, diagrams, flowcharts. Don't just write things out, draw them. Our brains are wired for visuals, and mapping things out helps you understand how concepts connect. Use colors, symbols, and shapes to bring your notes to life. Third, the outline method. If you love structure, this one's for you. Start with main headings, then break them down into subpoints. It's like building a skeleton of the topic, and it makes reviewing way easier. Use bullet points, numbering, and indentation to organize everything. Next is the charting method, especially useful when you need to compare info. Create a table with columns for things like dates, people, events, or definitions. This method is super effective for subjects like history, science, and even economics. It helps you see patterns, connections, and differences at a glance. Tip 5 might be the most important: review and revise. After class, take 10 minutes to go over your notes. Fill in any gaps while the info is still fresh. Highlight key points, add comments, and make quick summaries. Small reviews over time lead to big results later. Bonus tip: go digital. If you prefer typing, tools like Notion or Evernote are great for digital note-taking. You can create templates, sync across devices, and even organize notes by subjects and tags. Just don't forget to back them up. Quick recap. Today we covered the Cornell Method, visual notes, outline method, charting method, review and revise. Try these methods and see what clicks for you. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because tomorrow's video is all about stress-free exam prep. Catch you then.